this is Rikard from a business law firm in Spartanburg. Let's say you have a contract and you want to make sure that you're not going to be liable under that contract. How do you go about making sure? Well, generally speaking, someone becomes liable under a contract when they actually sign the contract. Liability essentially means that you have a duty to fulfill the terms of that contract, whether you're paying under that contract or you're actually performing some sort of service or selling a good under that contract. So when someone becomes liable under a contract, generally speaking, they're trying to refer to a breach of said contract. And generally speaking, issues come up with contracts when they haven't been drafted particularly clearly, or they don't clearly lay out what those obligations are. And so I would say most often the issues come up with interpretation of a contract, or it doesn't include everything that the parties have agreed to, and so there becomes a dispute as to what all that contract was supposed to cover. So all of that is to say and to highlight the fact that having great contracts prepared ahead of time is really essential when you're doing your business. At my firm, what we try to do is we try to give you a contract that you can use from project to project, or that can apply to all the sales of your goods that you are making. And we're trying to give you a template that you can use over and over again. If you have questions about that or you want your contracts reviewed, feel free to give us a call at A Business Law Firm.